boy Kieran. Today we're doing another video with Alfie and Joe. They've been total spazzes.
Wait, someone's calling us. Someone's calling us.
There's
a fat guy. Oh, this is disgusting. Faggotsy maggotsies. Oh, there's a bunch of faggot maggots. No.
That's disgusting, guys. That's maggots and everything in.
Why do you want to go in there? Well, why the flip did you? Is it because that's your home?
Yeah, like guys, I hope you like my intros and my outros. Well, flip! I didn't even see that. Flipping out. Sorry. I filmed them.
Deadly. What'd you say? Really, Bentley?
What you doing, Joe?
He's possessed.
No, Elliot's possessed.
I'm just in the graveyard.
The fudge. Guys, we're going to see you when we're at home because I need some breakfast. Yo, guys, just like that, we're back home in my garden with Joe. We're now going on trampoline, Benny. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope if you have enjoyed, like and subscribe, and also comment down below you subscribed and like the video if you can. Joe, shut up! And comment down below if that you subscribed and like the video, and I'll give you a shout out.
Kieran, I did the bloody swing.
That happened the other day and it's just not funny now, Joe.
It was. You laughed every single time.
Oh, flipping hell. Shit. Shit. Right, see you guys. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell, and you'll be notified whenever I upload.